Hey there, it's Tank Girl at Mobile Congress 2018 with the ZenFone 5 Lite. This is a slightly detuned version of the ZenFone 5 with a 6-inch ultra-wide display, 18:9, 1080p. So it looks pretty hot and a little bigger than the ZenFone 5 with the notch. So there you have it. As you can see, this is a nice panel once again. Well done. You have a dual camera system in the front, 16 and 8 megapixels. And then also a dual camera system in the back, 20 megapixel and 8 megapixel. Fingerprint reader where it should be in the back. LED flash, nice Asus logo here. So you have two options of processors for this phone. The Snapdragon 630 with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage, or a Snapdragon 430 with 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage. And that's pretty much it for specs. As you can see on the side here, there's a SIM slot on the left. On the body of micro USB, which is a little unfortunate, and two speakers, or at least one is a speaker and one is a microphone. Nice little polished buttons on the right hand side, power lock and volume rocker. And on top you have the headphone jack, secondary mic, all that good stuff. So that's basically the Asus ZenFone 5 Lite, and the battery in there is 3300 milliamp hour, regardless of which model you choose. So stay tuned for more videos from Mobile Congress, and subscribe, like this video, and don't forget, mobiletechpodcast.com is where it's at. Please subscribe to my podcast. Cheers.